Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever part of the world you are in. Today I will be unboxing the Lenovo ThinkPad E14. This is a Ryzen 5 4500U version with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD. I bought it for 50,000 from Amazon. Uh, this is the kind of box you get. The seal is intact, so let's open the seal and see what all we get in the box. We have got the seal and let's try to open the box. We have a charger. Let's see the wattage. It says Lenovo, manufactured in October 2020, and the wattage is 65 watts maximum. Yeah, that's a fast charger you get along with the laptop. Looks sleek and very portable. Let's put it aside for a bit and see what else we got in the box. This is a cable for the charger. Looks good. Let's take up the laptop now. I have very high expectations on the laptop. It should look good. Okay. It's got good cushioning inside the box. Sorry for the mediocre video quality. This is what I got. Oh, there is another C here. Okay. Shouldn't be that hard. I'll tear it. That will be. This is the Ryzen 5 4500U version. It's called 6 cores, I guess. It's got 256GB of SSD, and it's Windows 10 pre-installed and MS Office 2019 pre-installed, I guess. That should be Office and Student Edition mostly. Let's open the laptop. It's a 14-inch laptop. Oh, looks very good. The side bezels are very sleek, but the top bezel is a bit big. We can see it's a Ryzen 5 4000 series. It's got AMD Radeon graphics integrated, I guess. The build quality of the laptop is excellent actually. It's built of metal, complete metal, but looks like a fingerprint magnet. It says ThinkPad here, and I think this is a small LED light. Not sure about it. The only concern I had is if this one has a backlit keyboard. Okay, this is it for now. Thank you for watching. Let's meet another day.